Hey guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn cover photo using Canva. So after you've opened Canva, you will see a set of options over here in the middle that you can choose from. One of them is the LinkedIn background, or if you don't see it here, just click on social media, then click on LinkedIn. And from here you can choose various of options that you can use. Then just click on LinkedIn background photo. And from here it will redirect you to a new tab, and if you're creative you can start from scratch. You can create your own design over here at the empty canvas, but if you are not, you can of course use a template. So just go over here the left side bar and you will already see the templates. So just scroll down and choose a template that you'd like to use, or you can also search for specific themes over here in the search bar. And once you've selected one, just click on it. Then you can go ahead and customize the template, change it to your own name, your own job title, and you can also put your own contact information. And once you're done with that, just click on share and click on download, and that's it. Thanks for watching.